Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today, and today we're gonna cook roast breadfruit. So we're gonna roast the breadfruit in the oven, and we're gonna look after calaloo and saltfish. So we're gonna look after roast breadfruit and calaloo and saltfish. Calaloo is a form of vegetable, like you have cabbage, you have spinach. So calaloo is a form of vegetable. So today is roast breadfruit with ackee and saltfish. So breadfruit is the form of fruit. So we're going to put the breadfruit in the oven. And we have 2 packs of saltfish where we're going to boil to get the salt out. Then we have half of red bell pepper. We have half of orange bell pepper. We have 2 tomatoes I just picked from the garden. 1 white onion. 2 spring onion. And we have some thyme. And half a scotch bonnet pepper. And we have 4 cloves of garlic. So today we're going to cook roast breadfruit with calaloo and saltfish. So guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take out the stem of the breadfruit. So all we're going to do is shove the knife in, turn it around like that, and we get out the stem of the breadfruit. After we get out the stem of the breadfruit, we're going to put the knife right inside of the middle of the breadfruit. So we're going to make like we're making a cross. So the next side, I stick the next side and I pull it across like that. So, and then the mouth of the breadfruit, we're going to stick the knife in. So we want the steam to get right up inside the middle of that breadfruit to roast it. So the breadfruit mostly come from the Caribbean or Africa or South America. So we have this today, we're going to do roast breadfruit, but we're going to put the breadfruit in the oven for around an hour. So roast breadfruit with calaloo and saltfish we're going to do today. So right now we're just going to stick the breadfruit in the oven. So I'm just going to give it around an hour to roast. I put a file paper there because I don't want the stain to chop off in the breadfruit because breadfruit already stainy. So today's roast breadfruit with calaloo and saltfish. Turn up my oven. So guys, the first step we're going to do now, we're going to get out the salt out the saltfish, just some of the salt, because we cannot get all of the salt when we wash it, so we need to boil it and get some of the salt out the saltfish. What we're going to do now is to get out 2 packs of saltfish. So we have 2 packs of saltfish there. What we're going to do, and what we're going to do is try and get some of the salt out the saltfish. So I'm just trying to get some of the salt out of the saltfish. So always guys, I love to wash my meat, my fruits, everything, my vegetable before I start to do it, but you never know. So make sure you wash them properly. I know they're gonna boil, but I still have to wash them. So I'll leave that there for soak. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get some water in the pot. So we're going to put on the saltfish to boil for around 10 minutes. And then after we throw off that water. And then we're going to put on the second water to get some of the salt out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add a teaspoon of all-purpose season. So one teaspoon of all-purpose season, a little sprinkle of black pepper, just going to give that a stir. I give it around 5 minutes and then I check it again. So guys, I just checking my Calaloo and saltfish. So just give it a stir. It's cooking for the last 7 minutes. So just give it a stir. So I'm gonna give that another 5 minutes. Right over here I have my half for my fried plantain. So the frying some plantain for today, and the menu is fried plantain, roast breadfruit, and Calaloo and saltfish. So guys, my saltfish bit finished. Sorry for that steam, and then I just finished frying my plantain. So this have the breadfruit leave in the oven. Let me check it. Been in there for the last 1 hour and 20 minutes. So guys, this is my breadfruit. It was in the oven for the last 1.5 hours. So you want to know if your breadfruit roast, guys, quite thick. You just shove the knife in the middle of it like that. And when you slide out, just like when you're baking a cake. So when you slide right out like that, you know that your breadfruit is roast. So now I'm just gonna make it cool off and then I'm gonna peel it. So that's my roast breadfruit. It's finished. It's quite hot. So now I'm just gonna let it stay there and cool. So guys, I'm just gonna give you a sneak preview. Or you peel the breadfruit, you just hold it like that, and then you just peel it, go straight down. I just put a little cold water in it. So you just do like that and just peel off all of that first layer, the first skin. Skin look like that. It's quite hot. So just peel it like that. So this is roast breadfruit. Just gonna take a little piece out and show you guys. Still like that. And it's quite soft. Alright guys, so I did peel my breadfruit, so now I'm just gonna cut it in two. It's quite hot same way. I've been cooling off for the last half an hour, but it's quite hot. So now I'm just gonna cut it in two. Let you guys see inside of the middle. So if the middle stay like that, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut out this part. No, we don't eat this part will throw that part in the bin. So we're just gonna cut out this part. So these are the middle of the breadfruit, the heart of the breadfruit. So we get out that part. Get that part away. So this is how the breadfruit look when it finish. So guys, this is all finished. This is my roast breadfruit with fried plantain with Calaloo and saltfish. So this is all finished. I cannot wait to get done in that, guys. If you don't try it, guys, please try it. And if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, guys, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell, and please share and like the video on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram. Please share it with your family and everybody at home. I have a lot more recipe coming out, and people, please keep safe. Selvin is out till I see you guys in the next video, and please keep safe, and thanks for watching, guys.